Hello, welcome to another video. Now integral of x upon x square plus 1 into x square plus 3 into dx. Actually this is partial fraction method, that is very long. So I will give shortcut. Put x square is equal to t. X square derivation is 2x. T derivation is dt by dx. X into dx is equal to dt by 2. Okay, integral of x dx is equal to dt by 2. 1 by t plus 1 into t plus 3 x dx equal to dt by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 write in outside. 1 by t plus 1 into t plus 3 into dt. Numerator and denominator multiplying with 2. 1 by 4 into integral of 2 by t plus 1 into t plus 3. Why? Because multiplying with dividing 2, 3 minus 1 is 2. So if you want 2, so multiplying with 2, dividing with 2. 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. Okay, this can be written as 1 by 4 into integral of t plus 3 minus of t plus 1 upon t plus 3 into t plus 1 into dt. Okay, now 1 by 4 into integral of t plus 3 by t plus 3 into t plus 1 integral of t plus 3 upon t plus 3 into t plus 1 dt minus integral of t plus 1 upon t plus 3 into t plus 1 t plus 3 into t plus 1 dt. T plus 1 t plus 1 t plus 3 t plus 3 get cancelled. Okay, 1 by 4 into integral of 1 by t plus 1 into dt minus integral of 1 by t plus 3 into dt. 1 by t plus 1 is log mod t plus 1. 1 by integral of 1 by t plus 3 is log mod t plus 3. 1 by 4 into log mod t plus 1 minus log mod t plus 3 plus c. Okay, this can be written as log a minus log b, log a by b. 1 by 4 into log mod t plus 1 by t plus 3 plus c. T value is t is equal to x square. 1 by 4 into log mod x square plus 1 by x square plus 3 plus c. That's enough. Okay, now integral of 2x square minus 3 upon x square minus 4 into x square plus 1 dx. This can be written as integral of 2x square plus 2 minus 5. Minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3 upon x square minus 4 into x square plus 1 dx. Okay, here in these two terms 2 common, x square plus 1 minus 5 upon x square minus 4 into x square plus 1 into dx. 2 into x square plus 1 by denominator minus 5 by denominator. You have to write separate. 2 write in outside. X square plus 1 by x square minus 4 into x square plus 1 dx minus 5 by x square minus 4 into x square plus 1 into dx. X square plus 1, x square plus 1 cancelled. This can be written as 1 by x square minus 4 into dx minus of x square plus 1 minus of x square minus 4 upon x square minus 4 into x square plus 1 into dx. Minus x square cancel. Minus into minus plus. Plus 4 plus 1 is plus 5. Okay. 2 into integral of 1 by x square minus 4 into dx minus integral of x square by denominator minus of x square minus 4 by denominator. You have to write separate. Okay. X square minus 4 into x square plus 1 into dx minus into minus plus integral of x square minus 4 upon x square minus 4 into x square plus 1 into dx. Okay, x square plus 1, x square plus 1, x square minus 4, x square minus 4 cancelled. 2 into integral of 1 by x square minus 4 into dx minus integral of 1 by x square minus 4 into dx plus integral of 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. Okay. 2 into integral, both are same. 2 into integral of, or suppose this is p, 2p minus p is p. 2 into integral of 1 by x square minus x square, integral of 1 by x square minus 4. 4. 2 into integral of 1 by x square minus 4 into dx minus integral of 1 by x square minus 4. 2 times నుంచి 1 time cancelled. Okay, integral of 1 by x square minus 4 into dx plus integral of 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. This can be written as integral of 1 by x square minus 2 square into dx plus tan inverse x plus c. Integral of 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is tan inverse x. Here using formula 1 by x square minus a square into dx is equal to 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. Okay, here a is 2. 1 by 2 into 2 log mod x minus 2 by x plus 2 plus tan inverse x plus c. Log a by b, log a minus log b. 1 by 4 into log of x minus 2 minus log of x plus 2 plus tan inverse x plus c. That's enough. Now another trick is integral of 1 by a square cos square 2x plus b square sin square 2x into dx. We can use simple formula 1 by 2ab into tan inverse of b by a tan 2x plus c. One example, integral of 1 by 9 cos square 2x plus 16 sin square 2x into dx. This can be written as integral 1 by 3 square into cos square 2x plus 4 square into sin square 2x into dx. Here a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4. You can use above formula 1 by 2ab, 2 into 3 into 4 into tan inverse of b by a, 4 by 3 into tan 2x plus c. 1 by 24 into tan inverse of 4 by 3 into tan 2x plus c. That's enough. Okay. Integral of another one. Now integral of cosecant x by 3 cos x plus 4 sin x is into dx. In numerator cosec x is there, In denominator sin x is common. For suppose in numerator sec x is there, in denominator cos x common. Here cosecant x is there, in denominator sin x common. 1 by sin x is cosec x. Already cosec x is there, cosec x into cosec x, cosec square x. Okay, this can be written as cosecant x by sin x is common, 3 into cos x by sin x plus 4 into dx. Okay, 1 by sin x is cosec x. Cosec x into cosec x, cosec square x. Integral of cosecant square x by 3 cot x plus 4 into dx. Put 3 cot x plus 4 is equal to t. Okay, cot x 3 into derivation of cot x is minus cosecant square x. Derivation of 4 is 0. dt by dx. Okay, minus cosec square x into dx is equal to dt by minus 3. This can be written as 1 by t into dt by minus 3 minus 1 by 3 into integral of 1 by t dt. This can be written as minus 1 by 3 into log mod t plus c. Minus 1 by 3 into log mod t value 3 cot x plus 4 plus c. Minus 1 by 3 into log mod 3 cos x by sin x plus 4 plus c. Minus 1 by 3 into log mod, here LCM is sin x, 3 cos x plus 4 sin x plus c. Here minus having power, here whole power minus 1. Numerator denominator can be changed. 1 by 3 into, here minus is cancelled. Numerator is denominator. Numerator and denominator can be changed. Sin x by 3 cos x plus 4 sin x plus c. That's enough. Now another one, integral of tan power 7x plus tan x into dx. This can be written as tan power 5x into tan square x plus tan x into dx. Tan square x is secant square x minus 1. Since tan square x is equal to secant square x minus 1. Okay, integral of tan power 5x into secant square x minus 1 plus tan x into dx. Okay, tan power 5x into secant square x, integral of tan power 5x into secant square x, tan power 5x into minus 1 minus tan power 5x plus tan x into dx. Tan power 5x can be written as tan cube into tan square x. Integral of tan power 5x into secant square x minus of tan cube x into tan square x plus tan x into dx. Okay, integral of tan power 5x into secant square x, okay, minus tan cube x into tan square x is secant square x minus 1 plus tan x into dx. Integral of tan power 5x into secant square x minus tan cube x into secant square x minus into minus plus tan cube x plus tan x into dx. Now integral of tan power 5x into secant square x minus tan cube x into secant square x plus tan x into here tan x into tan square x tan cube x. Tan square x can be written as secant square x minus 1 plus tan x into dx. Tan cube x is tan x into tan square. Tan square x is secant square x minus 1. Now integral of tan power 5x into secant square x minus tan cube x into secant square x plus tan x into secant square x minus tan x plus tan x into dx. These two cancelled. Okay, integral of secant square x common. Tan power 5x minus tan cube x plus tan x into secant square x dx. Put tan x is equal to t. Secant square x dx is equal to dt. Integral of t power 5 minus t cube plus t into dt. Integral of t power 5 is t power 6 by 6. T cube is t power 4 by 4. T is t square by 2 plus c. Okay, t is tan x. Tan power 6x by 6 minus tan power 4x by 4 plus tan square x by 2 plus c. That's enough. If you have any doubts, drop a comment. Thank you.